Hi guys, welcome to Kajiado County. Behind me is our 3-bedroom bungalow, which is very spacious. Of course, it's courtesy of Batir Constructions, your #1 precast construction agency. It has 4 beautiful features. We have a very spacious living room, a modern kitchen and dining room, and then we have 3 spacious bedrooms. Currently, we are done with the structural part of the house. And when I talk about structural part of the house, I mean the foundation work, which we have done with normal stones, then casting up of the precast panels, installing the window and door grills, and right now we are on the roof work part of it. So follow me and let's see how the house is progressing. So guys, this will be our entrance porch, and if you have guests coming in, they can always relax here and have a very nice view of the entire house. Then over here we have our very big and massive lounge, big and spacious for the family. We have a very nicely done window fabricated by Batir over there to allow a lot of light and ventilation to come in. Then over here we have our sizable dining room space. So we are going to be setting our dining table here and chairs, and then it is graced by an open kitchen on my left hand side. So the kitchen is just small and sizable. What we've been able to do is that we've cast our working space with precast panels. We are going to be setting our sink and tap over here, so our plumbing work will be here. Then on this other part, this is the fridge space, and then on this other part is where maybe you can set your oven or microwave, whichever. Then we're going to be setting our top cabinets on these parts of the house, and then the lower cabinets on these spaces that you see down here. Right here, this is our cooker space, and then that is how our kitchen looks like. Then it leads us into our pantry space, just small and sizable. So we're going to be putting our shelves depending on how the client wants it to look like for the storage of the kitchen stuff. Then this is our back porch, very big and spacious, which gives us a very nice view of the entire vicinity. Then into the bedroom spaces, like I said, we have 3 bedroom spaces. 2 rooms are not en suite. So we have bedroom #1 over here, just work in progress, a very big window and 2 smaller ones fabricated by Batir Constructions. So currently everything is work in progress. Then we have our bedroom #2 over here, which is a duplicate of bedroom #1, small and sizable for whoever is going to be here. And these 2 rooms are going to be sharing this bathroom space, and then it's also going to be using this toilet space. So those 2 rooms, that's why we insist they are not en suite. Now to the final room in the house, the master bedroom. It's very big and spacious, and of course I can't wait to see how it's going to look like by the end of the project. So this is our master bedroom, big and spacious enough, a very big window to allow a lot of light. And then right here we are going to be setting our walk-in closet, and we will mount our wardrobes depending on how the client wants it to look like. And then this is the final space, which is the master bathroom. So we'll set our sink, our toilet, our wash hand basin over here, and you'll be able to see how the house looks like. So keep following us on all our social media handles: on YouTube, Build with Fidelis; on TikTok at Fidelis Maiba; on Instagram, and let's continue updating you on this particular project in Kajiado County and more of other projects that you're working on in different counties. Batir Constructions, building the future, one panel at a time. Don't go nowhere.